Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be unboxing some RGB strips. These ones retail for about $20 to $30. I'll throw a link in the description. They're 32.8 foot strips, and they're pretty cool because it comes with a ton of stuff. This package right here is probably one of the heaviest I've ever gotten, so it's pretty cool. On the right side of the box we have the package contents and some other information. On the back of the box you just have a cool picture of like different places you can put them, like in a bar, down a hallway, or just somewhere to make it a lot more aesthetic and really nice looking. On the left side of the box we have a 12-volt safety strip, target users, all colorful transfer, and 93% energy saving with 50,000 hours. So you basically can use these for about 5 years depending on how much you use them. On the top of the box we have just some information. You have to make sure that these are plugged in properly and stuff. Let's get into this. So one thing I thought that was really cool is that they have a unique type of glue included. This is called balloon glue, and I'll just open one to show you. So basically, it's like little dots of tape on here, as you can see. Little dots of glue or tape, technically, that you can like mold and then put on like a surface. And those are pretty sticky, I believe. And obviously they're pretty good, so that's nice that they included that. And here we have some extra contents. Let's go ahead and open this. So these come with 2 extra placement little prongs, which is pretty cool. And it also comes with some extra types of mounting clips, which is really nice because definitely worth it. You can have 2 ways to mount them. You can either use this for like the IR receiver or something, and like little things like that, or you can use it on the strips themselves. However you want to do it. There's just extra mounting supplies. And then here you have 10 mounting clips, which is really nice of them to include. Right here we have the 44 key remote, and it has a black accent in the background. Really cool. And then it has a little safety and manual in here. So it does come with a battery as well because it has a pull tab. Right here we have the IR receiver. This is the control box, and it's split ended, which is really nice. And then, as you can see, the arrows, so that's really cool. And then it comes in, the power supply comes in this nice bag. So just a typical charger, 12 volts. It's at 12 volt 5 amps, which is plenty enough power. And then it shows you how to connect them. So some simple quick instructions with pictures. So connect the DC wire, make sure the arrows are connecting, clean the surface, take off some of the tape on the back a little at a time. If it's too long, you can cut between these lines, and then make sure to take out the little pull tab before you use the remote, and don't use them while rolled up. But I'm gonna do it just for a little bit, because So here are the 2 strips. As you can see. Let's go and open one of these. Alright. So this one has like a red type back to peel off. I've never seen that, but I bet it's a really nice high quality tape. I'm pretty sure it's a sponge tape, but I'm not sure, don't quote me on that. But yeah, as you can see, they have pretty nice cable. It's not, yeah, so each one is 16.4 feet. Alright, here's the other one. Nice. Let's go and plug this in. So let's get our AC adapter and start plugging this in. Okay. So to plug it in, it's pretty simple. Just get your AC adapter, plug this end in, then plug this into an outlet, then plug this part into the receiver control box, and then you have two end cables here, and just make them arrow to arrow. This is not arrow to arrow, as you can see. This is arrow to arrow. So you just plug them in here, and there we go. That has a nice little claps to it too. So let's go ahead and get a remote. White. Now I have another 44 key remote, but they both work the exact same. Remote. So here's a little small user manual, just some basic instructions, and a little diagram. So let's get the remote, take out the pull tab. So we have on and off. Make sure this IR receiver, this little black part right here, is in sight with the remote, otherwise it will not work properly. So yeah, so we have red. These get really bright, that's really nice. Green, blue, orange, a darker orange, yellow, these are really nice actually. And they have that silicone gel coating on the outside for like waterproof, which is really cool. And then let's go ahead and plug this one in as well. So arrow to arrow. So they both work same time. They look really nice. And then you have some other modes here. So you have like quick and slow. You have 6 DIYs, an auto, a flash, 2 jumps, and 2 fades. So the fade is my favorite, and then you can slow it down to make it really nice. And then you can make it quicker. You can slow it down even more. You can do jump 7, which is 7 different colors. You can do jump 3, which is 3 different colors. Fade 3, which is basically just red, just 3 different colors. And then fade 7, obviously, like I showed you. And then DIY, you just can pick one of these DIY boxes, and then you can do red, green, and blue up and down, so you're choosing. And then you have brightness adjustments. So these get really dim as well as they get really bright, which is really cool. That's really nice. And then the on and off button is just one button, so you don't have to have 2 buttons. Really nice remote. It's 44 key remote. Definitely have tons of options available for quick access. Like a 24 key remote, you have basically double the colors you can pick. Really cool lights. They don't get too hot. Really nice actually, because number one, they come with a ton of different mounting clips, so these will definitely be able to stay up. And these are the specific ones for the waterproof ones because they have thicker openings. So that'll definitely be able to fit. You get 2 of these balloon glue packages, which is really cool and surprising. I didn't even think that they would have these in here. And for a really good price. I definitely recommend you check it out. I'll throw a link up in the description. You can check it out there. It comes with basically everything you need to set it up. A remote, clips, 2 balloon glues, 2 reels, an IR receiver, power adapter. All really cool. And it shows you even how to install them on that little pamphlet. Like this. So if you ever forget on how to properly set some of these up, just look at this little pamphlet and you're good to go. So clear instructions, very nice product overall. I like it a lot. They're 32 feet, waterproof strips. So yeah, if you have any questions about this product, let me know in the comments down below, and I will answer as best as possible. I'll probably answer every single one of them, like always. So please, if you have any thoughts on this product, let me know. Just leave it in the description. Check this out because I don't even know the pricing on it, so it could be less, it could be more. I will check after the video and then let you guys know in the description, and you can check it there. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.